Meaning of Giles Gilbert Scott.
Giles Gilbert Scott.
Giles Gilbert Scott.
Giles Gilbert Scott.
Giles Gilbert Scott. Giles Gilbert Scott was an English architect known for designing several iconic buildings, such as the Red Telephone Booth and the Battersea Power Station in London. He was born in 1880 and died in 1960. His architectural style is often described as Gothic Revival, and he was heavily influenced by the works of his grandfather, George Gilbert Scott, who was also a prominent architect. Giles Gilbert Scott's designs have become cultural landmarks and continue to be celebrated for their unique aesthetic and historical significance.